everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss the activities which I'm going to conduct on World Mental Health Day. It is the requested video by many of the teachers, so let's start. I am planning to have a special assembly on World Mental Health Day. I'll be starting the assembly with the prayer, but the prayer would be a little different related to this occasion, seeking God's blessing for more peace and strength of heart and kindness in His spirit. May this day reminds us to care not only for our bodies but also for our minds and emotions. Next, I have selected a good thought related to this occasion. Good mental health begins when we discover our purpose, the why behind what we do. When we understand the reason behind our actions, we feel more focused, balanced, and happy with it. This would be my thought for the day. Next, I am planning to have an interview with the psychologist. If the calling real psychologist is possible in your school, you can do that. Or you can have a role play in the assembly, and wherein one student can be an interviewer and the other can play the role of psychologist and talk to the children about what is mental health, why is it important for students and how they can manage examination and stress, what to do when the friend feels sad or worried. And then, next I had planned the street play titled Disconnected from Reality. And I'll just give a brief description of the scenes which I had planned. In first scene, I'm showing the boy at home and he is addicted with the mobile. His mother comes and asks him that the food is ready, but he is still busy with his mobile. In the next scene, his friends come and ask him to play, but he doesn't listen. He continues with his mobile. Now, in this scene, I'm to try to show the consequences of the mobile addiction. Here, the parent would enter his room and will show him the report card that, see, you have failed, and that is the result of the mobile addiction. Then we will have a happy ending showing that he has realized his mistake and he will start spending time with his family and also work hard in his studies. Next activity is pledge, and it's very important that children take pledge to use these devices responsibly. Next, I as a school counselor will be taking a short session with them and talking about these points which I have depicted on this slide, that what type of effect the prolonged screen exposure has. Next, I am planning to train them with some exercises which will help them to maintain good mental health. So for this, simple exercises which everyone can perform, I have selected. The first is rubbing your palms together, which gives you the feeling of warmth, and that warmth is your energy waking up in your brain. And next is finger tapping. Then in this, the tip of each finger with your thumb, one by one, starting from the index finger to the little finger. Then cross tapping for brain coordination. Touch your right hand's thumb to your left hand's little finger and then switch left thumb to your right little finger and then keep alternating. And then deep breathing exercises, and then will make an appeal to them to make this part of their daily routine for more mental peace. Next, I am going to share with my students the laughter yoga, which I'm interested because this will help them to release their stress. So whenever they want, they can practice that. For that, I'm showing one of the video to my children also and to you all also.
1, 2, 3, 4. I am happy, very happy, always happy, happy, healthy, joyful, strong. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha.
Conclude my assembly, and the same I'm going to conclude my video also. But I would request you all to share your plan also with me, either personally on my WhatsApp or in the comment section, wherever you feel comfortable. And also in the comment section, do write, just give me marks for this assembly out of 10. Let me see how many of you gave me 10 out of 10. So waiting for 10 out of 10. Signing off today. Do like, share and subscribe my videos please.